In today's video, you will learn how to add text behind objects in CapCut PC. Creating text behind objects is a really popular editing effect that can make your videos look much more professional and cinematic. This effect gives the illusion that your text is naturally sitting inside the scene instead of simply floating on top of the video. It works especially well with people, cars, buildings, or any subject that stands clearly in front of the background. To begin, add your text by selecting the text tool and placing a default text layer onto your timeline. Once the text appears, head over to the basic settings and customize it however you want. This is where you can change the wording, font, size, color, and overall style. Try to choose text that stands out clearly against the background, so the effect is easier to see once everything is combined together. After customizing the text, the next step is to duplicate your video clip. You can do this quickly by holding the Alt key and dragging the clip upward onto another track in the timeline. This creates a second copy of the exact same footage layered above the original clip. The reason for duplicating the clip is because one layer will stay normal, while the top layer will be used to isolate the subject and place it in front of the text. With the duplicated clip selected on the top layer, go over to the Remove Background option and activate it. This tool attempts to separate the main subject from the background automatically. Once that process is complete, move to the Chroma key settings and enable the Picker tool. Now hover your mouse over parts of the background area while watching the preview carefully. As you move the picker around, you will notice areas of the text becoming more visible behind the subject. When you find the correct area where the effect looks clean, left-click to apply it. This helps blend the background removal and creates the illusion that the text is sitting behind the object in your scene. If parts of the text still look hidden or uneven, adjust the intensity slider. Increasing the intensity helps clean up the masking effect and reveals more of the text where needed. Make small adjustments rather than pushing it too far, since too much intensity can sometimes make the edges look unnatural. Once everything is lined up correctly, you should now have a clean text behind object effect that adds depth and style to your video. This technique works great for intros, edits, and social media content where you want your visuals to stand out more professionally.